Hello my friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of Ecomi, OMI, what's the price change, what's the high price, and what is the currently status of OMI and the cryptocurrencies markets. I will show you in this video. So before starting this brand video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more latest news and updates. Now let's get started the video. First of all, we look the price prediction chart analysis of the OMI network. After that we decide that it's the time to buy, sell or hold. As you can see here friends, that is live price prediction chart of the previous last 1 week. That is a 7-day price prediction you are watching now friends. If we look the average change occur in the previous last 1 week, last 7 days of the OMI, so the changes is negative 9.7% change occur in the OMI in the last 1 week. If we look the high price of OMI, so the high price of OMI is about $0.00994 is the high price of OMI. And friends, if we look the chart analysis of the OMI, so the chart analysis tell us that they continuously falls down, and to the 2, 3, 4th April is the falling days of the April, and after the 4th April they again take a high jump, and after that again falls down for 2 days. And now currently if we look the currently situation, so as now currently also in the jumping mode. As you can see here is the jumping mode you can see, and now currently at this time they are also in the jumping mode. Now let's see the last 1 day price prediction, what's the price change goes and the last 1 day. As you can see here, the 1 day price prediction chart tell us that now they are also in the jumping mode, but they take a jump in the last 1 day, but as you know the previous hours they also take a fast down. The last 1 day change percentage as 18.22% change occur in the last 1 day, and the high price is $0.009807 is the high price of OMI in the last 1 day. As you can see here, the chart analysis is the same, and now currently they are again not going up with a high speed but goes up at this time. Now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction, what's the price change goes, and currently what's the currently status of Bitcoin. So friends, absolutely bad changes occur in the OMI network. As you can see here, OMI network starts jumping upward, as you can see here, but now I think they are again ready for falling down, so it's not a best. As you can see here, they take a jump, and after a great jump they again falls down, and now currently I think they are again ready for a big dump. The change is negative 0.02% change occur in the only last 1 hour. Absolutely bad change, and not goes up, and the high price of OMI as about $0.009003 is the high price of OMI in the last 1 hour friends. So friends, according to the last 1 hour price prediction, they are also in negative. The last 1 day is negative, and sorry, the last 1 day is positive, but the last 7 day, as you know, they are also in negative because they fall down in the previous days. So my suggestion for all of OMI holder, that as you know they are falling time of the OMI, so my suggestion for you, maybe they goes upward in the future. We have to think positive about anything. So please, my suggestion for you to hold your OMI coin with the last of this month, because I'm also a holder of OMI network, and I'm hold my coin with the last of this month. That's my plan. What's your plan? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about cryptocurrency markets.